Hi guys, welcome back. I'm really excited today to share with you how I prepared a 4 o'clock coffee for my husband's birthday. I hope you can enjoy this video. I hope you grab an idea. If you're new in my channel, you are very much welcome. And for my returning subscribers, I appreciate you. So enjoy this video. So guys, I'm just going to start with preparing the vanilla cream. I'm using 100 milliliters of milk, 100 milliliters of whipping cream, and I'm just going to put that in a pot to boil. Then I added just 120 gram of sugar. I took the vanilla pod, and then as you can see, I'm cutting that through, and then I will remove the inner part of it and add it to the milk. And even the pod itself, I'm just going to add it to the milk as well. And then as that continued to boil, I'm going to prepare an egg. I just used one egg, but only the egg yolk. So I'm whisking that, and after that I'm going to transfer the mixture to the egg, and then just stir that for a moment and transfer it back to the pot. Then let it slow cook. Really, you have to reduce your fire and let it really slow cook. As you can see, I'm adding it back, and then slow cook and continue stirring and stirring and stirring. Otherwise it's just gonna stick to the pan, and we don't want that to happen. It's smelling amazing. So I switched off the cooker. The cream is actually ready, and I'm preparing the strawberries. I took around 450 grams of fresh strawberries, and I just washed them, of course, and cut them into small pieces, and finally you will see what I'll do with them. So you can see the strawberries are ready. I took those small glasses that you can see. Our mixture is ready. Okay, sorry, not the mixture, but the vanilla cream is ready. And then I'm adding the strawberries, just small portions in the glass. You can see that already this is looking so beautiful, so amazing. I just love the color of the strawberries. They are always so refreshing. They just, when you see them, you just want to eat. And now let's go ahead and add the vanilla cream. I'm adding that. Actually, I will just add the vanilla cream until it's just it covers the strawberries completely. So once that is done, I just set them aside. I took some raspberry, I washed them, and I'm just going to add them now to the glasses. I'm just going to top the rest of the dessert, or whatever you want to call this, with the raspberries. Then again, to top that, I took the strawberry glaze. I put that to boil, very slow boiling. You just actually, my aim here was just to have it melt so that I can just add it to the mixture without any stress. So I used like 4 tablespoons of this. Yeah, voila, and finally I'm done, and I'm going to add this to the fridge. I prepared this a day before his birthday. Then now let us get to the juice. I'm using two watermelons, so I'm using the honey melon, and I'm using the Cantalope Melon. This one was so juicy, it had so much juice. You're just gonna see that in a minute. And then I just blended the melon. I did not want to have a smoothie, so what I did, I went ahead and just filtered the juice after it was done. So I really just wanted a smooth juice. After I finished filtering the melon, I added some water, maybe around 300 ml for this juice. And then, yeah, melon, if you eat it directly, it's actually sweet, but when you make a juice, it's not that sweet. So I had to just add some sugar. So I put the sugar to boil. Or just I wanted to melt the sugar, so I added some water and then I added sugar. So you can add as much sugar as you want. I don't want to take the responsibility of that. I just didn't want mine that sweet. I just wanted it a little bit sweeter than the original one. Yeah, I know it's not that healthy, but at least I even tried to use brown sugar. And then finally I added the mixture. You can see how dark the sugar is. Yeah, it's brown sugar. I added it to the juice. So finally I went ahead and just transferred the juice to these beautiful jars, but actually what I did a mistake. I should have added the ice cubes first and then the juice, but I forgot this, and then I finally had to add the ice cubes at last, and I had so much juice I didn't even have enough space for the ice cubes. But yeah, at the end of the day they ended up melting, so it doesn't really matter. And now let's go ahead and prepare Kenyan Chai, Kenyan tea. So I'm sorry to say so, but I personally, I don't measure some of this stuff. I just cook the way I've learned to cook stuff. So for those who like measurements, for those who need measurements on how to prepare this, always take 50-50. By 50-50 I mean take 50% of the water you want and then 50% of milk. So here I just use half milk, half water. So the first thing I did, I cooked the water and then added the tea, that is Kenyan tea, Kenyan ketepa. Check the description box below to see how exactly the ingredients of this tea. So I added the tea and then I added cardamom, I added tea masala. I let that cook, really boil well, and then I added the milk. And after I added the milk, you really have to wait and let your tea cook. Let it cook. And I normally, just because I don't want it to be that strong, I actually start just removing the tea slowly. You saw that in the video. And then I just went ahead and transferred the tea, and finally actually I'm just going to put it to this beautiful amazing teapot. For the table setting, again, my firstborn helped me do this, so there is, yeah, credit goes to her actually. And that is pretty much it. We are done. We have our Kenyan chai, we have our vanilla mixture, we have some biscuits, we have fresh juice, and we have some chocolates. That was it, guys. That was it. So if you watched until here, I want to thank you so much for watching. You are very much appreciated. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please take a point of doing so. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. I will appreciate a comment. I will appreciate any feedback from you guys. So that's it, and I wish you a good time. Stay safe and stay healthy. Bye guys.